Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.
Hi, hello. It's Friday, it's drink December. We're going out. Anyway, hi. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button down below, because today it's going to be a shower plus classic, not classic, what the hell, classy, kind of fancy, something like that. But anyway, outfit of the night is this bralette over here. I'm going to put this on with my kind of like with my baggy corduroy pants, and here it's how it looks like. Leo staki kitu inanifinya because I'm going to eat, and I don't want the kind of stress right now. This scarf, I'm kind of thinking of doing something with it on my braids, but I'm not yet sure. Then because I'm going to Inti and they have a dress code, this is going to be like it's just a cardigan, but I'm going to like put it on like a top in a classy manner, so you will see. And yeah, I'm going with gold jewelry. And yeah, right now I want to do my makeup. I don't think I will film doing my makeup. Yeah, so you guys will see me after I'm done painting this face. Hey, this is my final outfit, and I just came to realize that it's the same as my hair color. We're doing green and white. Anyway, my hair's supposed to be like this, but now I'm in such a hurry that stucky anything closer. So let's see at my destination. My cab is here, so yep.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me.